Guys, today me and my mom made some cookies and some pumpkin cookies because at school at Hampton Park we're gonna go to do some bake sale for volunteering. So I'm gonna sell some cookies for $1. And as you can see, my mom has already put the cookies in these bags, and there's some baking in the oven and some baking in this big oven. And so when they are ready, we could all put them in the bag and go to the Hampton Park place and we could sell them. My dad is also gonna come with me, and I don't even know how many Guys, I don't even know how many she made. I think she made like 70 or something. So yeah, guys, one chocolate chip cookie and one pumpkin cookies. So chocolate chip and pumpkin cookies, one in each bag. And my mom bought these bags from McDonald's. But the teacher said you can buy some stuff that you need to put the cookies in, but you have to make the homemade cookies. Here one cup cookies. So guys, now there's some extra cookies left, so I'm gonna try one. And hopefully I like it. Everybody likes it. Like and subscribe. You guys should come here and eat this cookie because it's super good. Come to Hampton Park, Florida, Tampa Park right now so you could make this cookie over there. Like and subscribe. Bake sale! Bake sale! Bake sale! Amazing! $1.